What's up, everyone? So it is opening morning of archery antelope today, and Amber has a tag. We're out where me and Gavin been archery hunting earlier in the year for antelope. Gavin took a decent one. If you go back a few videos, you could watch that one. I wasn't so successful this year. First year in a long time I didn't get my antelope with my bow, so it's just one of them years. But hopefully Amber can smack one here shortly this morning, and we'll get back to you. It's opening day at archery season. We have an antelope moving towards us. He's at 430 yards right now. We're gonna give him some time and let him come in. I see him. I've got him right here in the camera. We're just gonna let him walk up towards us. He disappeared out of here. Yeah, I've got him. Okay, I'm on him. No, he's just moving. They don't stop for long. If you need it lower, that's as low as I'll go. You're good, you're good. Okay, there you go. That's all right. Just put it right in his chest.
Give me a second.
I know. Maybe he'll stop. There he is, up on the hill.
He's way too far up. There's a horizon there.
He's good. Take him. No, you missed. Well, we got a doe and a fawn 380 yards away now. We're waiting for a buck, so these ones are not in any danger. We did confirm that Amber did miss that buck. I believe it ran over, and it was shot by another guy just on the other side of the ridge. So, that one's gone. Now we're just sitting and waiting for people to push stuff around. Hopefully another buck comes in, so stay tuned. So we got another group of antelope out in front of us. It's still opening day. It's about noon now. This group has one buck. I did see a group of guys shoot one buck out of this group earlier today. And this group seems to be moving up towards us. So we're going to be making a play on them here real soon. What's got these guys moving? I don't know if you can see it. There it is. There's another group of guys down there that are pushing it. So we're going to make a move, and hopefully we come back and we're on antelope and we can be shooting one. So stay tuned. You hit him. You got him. It's heading down. You have no more bullets in. Reload. Reload.
He's going down. He's dropping. He's down.
Yep, he's down. I don't think I got any of it on camera.
I'm sorry.
That's all right.
He's down.
He's down. Buck down. Sorry that we didn't get it on camera.
It was quick.
Things happen quick. And, well, we'll get some film of them when we get down there. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Well, there he is. We're going to go down and get him. Well, everyone, she got her antelope. Buck down. Opening day, so 406 high country, getting it done. I don't believe I got it on film. I tried. I was recording, but I wasn't on him just yet. She everything happened quick, and you know how that goes. So still trying to learn how to film off this new camera and everything, and it's tough when you're just trying to locate and you're trying to help guide and all that type of stuff. I need a cameraman. Just a straight up cameraman. But hey, it'll get better. Hopefully opening day's coming here real soon, and we'll start getting a little bit better footage than this on our elk and deer, and more to come, so stay tuned.